guys, and welcome back. Today is an exciting day. Today we're actually going to be moving all our chickens from this small chicken coop to the big one that we actually created. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll make sure to put a link above so that you guys could actually see how it was previously set up. But today is actually the day we're moving all these chickens along with their chicks to the new location. So here we go. So we're gonna start off with the chicks here. We have a total of actually about 23 chicks. So we're gonna start moving these over there, and then we'll finish off with the bigger chickens that were actually on the previous coop over there. Start off with two. It's our first time moving these chicks from their original location, so we don't want them flying around and escaping. I believe that they actually come back if in the event they were to escape, but yeah, in this case we'll just take extra precautions. We're gonna go for the second one now. There we go. So, got the second batch. All the younger chicks have been transferred, so they're looking pretty happy. They got tons of space to roam around now. obviously we want our chickens to be free ranging, so, and that's the reason that we actually had this coop all built. And yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, any upgrades that we should do for this coop, feel free to comment down below, because yeah, at this point we're all new to this and we're practically learning on the fly here. Now this is gonna be the challenging part, because these guys are pretty agile. They run all over the place, and we're gonna practically have to chase them around now at this point. Yung ano yung mga yung mga nangingitlog, tandaan mo okay na. Ito muna yung maliliit na lang. So yeah, we got some hens. We actually have some hens that's brooding right now. So that's why we're gonna end up leaving these guys here. We're just gonna grab the younger hens, and then yeah, we'll carry them over.
Good luck.
So yeah, if you notice in size, the younger hens are slightly smaller. So there's about 6 of them, and those are the only ones that we're gonna grab at this point, because we don't know which ones are sitting on the eggs at this point. The newer hens that we introduced earlier here has their full wing. Earlier we had to cut down the wings of the previous ones because we had no netting. But now that we have netting, we've been simply leaving these their wings intact here. So here goes one.
Give it to me. Dalawa lang siguro
Yeah,
muna.
I think we're just gonna go one by one. Isa na lang. Isa.
Oh, dalawa tapos. Ay!
Sarado naman na, di ba?
Ano yan? Ayan. Yan. Oh, tama na muna. Baka makalabas pa.
Wings are all intact.
Careful.
They look pretty awesome. There we go. And Molly, do the honors. So Molly, there we go. You get to release one of the chickens.
So I'm quite excited for the fresh eggs every day because we like eggs. We eat them every day for
Yeah.
breakfast.
So that's gonna be good. So Molly's gonna try to catch one of the chickens this time. Let's have a look if she's able to.
Which one? That smaller one?
Yeah, the smaller one.
How about this?
No, that one has a clipped wing.
That one?
Yeah.
How about this?
Yeah, that one. That one's good.
Never mind. How about this one?
Mm.
No?
Okay, well,
I almost got it. But Manay don't. He's really a
so you caught the chickens. Congratulations with a bit of help there.
Sorry, buddy. So we're going to conclude the video here. It took us about half an hour to transfer all the chickens to the bigger coop. So yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, it was a good exercise. We've been running all over the place trying to chase these guys down, but I think we're good. We're gonna release these two there, and then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode, and we hope to bring you guys more. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so, and make sure to like this video. So until next time,
Bye.
bye.